In today's lesson, we will solve word problems using groups of tens and ones, and we will write them as two-digit numbers. Please be reminded that the PGCPS administrative procedures regarding appropriate use of technology, social media, and email continue to apply to our online instruction. In addition, this session may not be recorded without the instructor's consent. A description of the applicable procedures is provided online in the Student Rights and Responsibilities Handbook. As we begin, let's look at our 99 chart. Now, in this 99 chart, we have groups of tens and ones, and they're written as two-digit numbers. So we begin with 0 tens, 0 ones, 0 tens, 1 1, 0 tens, 2 ones, 0 tens, 3 ones, 0 tens, 4 ones, 0 tens, 5 ones, 0 tens, 6 ones, 0 tens, 7 ones, 0 10, 8 ones, 0 10, 9 ones. Now we have one bundle of tens. So we have 110, 0 1, that's the number 10. 110, 1 1, 110, 2 ones, 110, 3 ones, 110, 4 ones, 110, 5 ones, which is 15, 110, 6 ones, 110, 7 ones, 110, 8 ones, 110, 9 ones. Now we've counted 2 bundles of tens, so we have 20. 2 tens, 0 ones, 2 tens, 1 1, 2 tens, 2 ones, 2 tens, 3 ones is our two-digit number 23. 2 tens, 4 ones, 24. 2 tens, 5 ones, 25. 2 tens, 6 ones, 26. 2 tens, 7 ones, 27. 2 tens, 8 ones, 28. 2 tens, 9 ones, 29. Now we've counted 3 bundles of tens. Now my question to you is, what do you notice about the 0 that's in front of the first row of numbers? And these zeros, do you think they represent the same thing? You're correct. No, they do not. They represent different things. The zeros in my first row represent 0 tens, but the zeros in these rows on my left represent 0 ones. So this is just the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But I've written them in groups of tens and ones, and I've written them as two-digit numbers. Now, just for fun, let's count backwards from 29. Count with me. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I love to count. How about you? So a 99 chart goes all the way up to the number 99. So here we have groups of tens and ones that are written as two-digit numbers. Ready to move on? Let's move on. Let's look at the video, Numbers in the Teens.
Locating numbers with a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. 10 is a group of 10 and 0 extra ones. 11 is a group of 10 and 1 extra 1. 12 is a group of 10 and 2 extra ones. 13 is a group of 10 and 3 extra ones. 14 is a group of 10 and 4 extra ones. 15 is a group of 10 and 5 extra ones. 16 is a group of 10 and 6 extra ones. 17 is a group of 10 and 7 extra ones. 18 is a group of 10 and 8 extra ones. 19 is a group of 10 and 9 extra ones. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10. Come on, everybody, let's sing it again. Numbers in the teens have a group of 10.
Awesome. Numbers in the teens have a group of tens, and they also have extra ones. Now let's do our word problem story for today. It says the PE teacher has 2 bags of balls for the whole school to use. Inside each bag, there are 10 balls. She also has a bag with 2 balls in it. What is the story about? Now, I think the story is about the PE teacher having bags of balls for the school. That was our first read. Now we're going to read it a second time. Now, this time I want you to read. Okay, now that you've read it, the question here we need to answer here is, what are the quantities and units in the story? What numbers do you see in the story, and what do these numbers represent? The first number I see is the number 2. 2 bags of balls. The second number I see in the story is the number 10. That represents 10 balls in each bag. The third number that I see, quantity that I see, or number that I see in the story is the number 2. She has 2 balls in 1 bag. Now let's do a third read for 3 read protocol. This time we will read together. The PE teacher has 2 bags of balls for the whole school to use. Inside each bag are 10 balls. She also has a bag with 2 balls in it. What math question can we ask? Can you think of a math question? This is the question I came up with. How many balls does she have for the school? And that is a nice question. We need to find out how many balls does she have for the school. Now that's the problem we are going to solve today. Now, how are we going to solve this problem, boys and girls? Let's see. I have these balls that are in my bag. And this is balls in a bag. Balls in a bag. Okay. So we said the PE teacher has 2 bags of balls for the whole school to use. Inside each bag are 10 balls. So I'm going to use my 10 tens frame and I'm going to drag. She has 10 balls in each bag. So this bag has 10 balls. And I'm going to put 10 balls in the second bag because she has 2 bags with 10 balls each. But then it said to me, she also has a bag with 2 balls in it. So I'm going to use my ones. She has 1, 2 balls in a third bag. Now, how many balls does she have for the school? Now, if we can count 2 tens, I'm going to go over here. She has 2 tens. And how many ones does she have? You're right, she has 2 ones. 2 tens as a 2-digit number is 20. And 2 ones is the number 2. So how many bags does she have for the school? 20 plus 2 is 22. So I'm going to put my answer up here. She has 22 balls for the school to use. Now that was our using our 10 frames. Now I'm going to use our number bond to solve this problem. Now here she has 20 balls in these 2 bags. She had 10 in one bag, 10 in the other bag, that's 20. And in another bag, she has 2 balls. So therefore, she has 22 balls in the 3 bags altogether. Finally, we're going to use our 10 frame over here. She has how many balls in one bag? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 balls in one bag. And she has 10 balls in the second bag. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now she has a third bag. And that third bag only has 2 balls. So I'm just going to put those out here. 1, 2 balls. Now how many balls does she have altogether? Let's count. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So she has 22 balls for the school to use. So we use our tens and ones, we used our number bonds, and we used our 10 frame to solve our problem. Okay, boys and girls? Now I'm going to show you how you are going to complete your assignment today. You are going to click on the link that's in the math section of your Google Classroom. But first, I want to tell you what the secret word is. Shh, don't tell anyone. The secret word for today is bats. The secret word for today is bats. Now, there are 3 different things that you guys are going to do today. The first activity, you are going to Type the number of the tens and ones shown with the place value blocks. Now, how many tens do you see here? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, 5 tens, and how many ones? Yes, 1 ones. And that number is 51. The second activity that you're going to do would look like this. You have the number 36. So what you need to do is to build the number using the blocks. So I'm going to bring 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, and the number here is 3 tens and 6 ones. So now I'm going to drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I was able to build the number 36. And your final assignment, you are going to solve this word problem. The class basket of markers has 84 markers in it. Mr. Wood would like to put them back into their boxes. Each box holds 10 markers. How many full boxes will he have? Now, boys and girls, you are going to go to your Google Classroom, back to your Google Classroom, and you are going to work on assignment number 2.